AMC traders, I am so sorry. I am sorry that you've been losing money this past week, and AMC stock looks like it's never going to make a full recovery back to previous highs. However, I am going to help you get your money back in this video, so make sure to watch until the end and subscribe if you appreciate the help that I've done for you here. In our previous video, we called out one stock. That stock was LOVE. We won our trade on LOVE. You can see the proof right here, $640 profit our traders made, our pro traders made on our LOVE call out. I actually sent this exact trade to my free Telegram group as well, but all of my best trades are reserved for my pro members and my pro members only. FNGR, short squeeze, 75% profits. This was called out on YouTube publicly as well, but we have so many trades which you cannot access on this YouTube channel. So many winning trades, so many winning short squeezes that we never talk about here, but that my pro traders are getting every single day, such as SPCE Virgin Galactic. We called that short squeeze before it happened. BTBT, only pro members got these trades. CLSK, $5,148 profit on CLSK. How would you spend $5,148? Join the pro group today. Message me on Telegram or on Discord. The links are in the description. We help you stop losing money here. We help you stop losing money, and it's time to come home. We're going to go over AMC and what to do about it. AMC stock, I warned you guys to sell this thing while it was still $8. I told you that this rally was probably going to be the death knell for AMC, and ever since then AMC has done nothing but go down. AMC stock down from $8 to today at $4, meaning you would lose 50% of your money if you bought it at the $8 level, but some of you have lost even more than that because AMC was at $27.50 at one point. AMC is near fair value. If anything, AMC is slightly below fair value right now, so I wouldn't rush to sell all of your AMC this very second. However, consider that AMC is not a powerful stock. This is not a stock which I have a lot of conviction in, that I believe will go up very much from where it's at right now, and therefore you have to consider closing your position when your trade starts to not work out. This is what I teach my traders to do in the pro group, in the pro Discord. You can join using the link in the description. I teach traders how to make money in the stock market. I helped you make money on LOVE. I helped you make money on FNGR. And if you want to make that money consistently, if you don't want to leave your stock trading career to chance, well, then all you have to do is join my group, and more importantly, pay attention to what I'm teaching you here. It's 100% free to get the knowledge that I'm sharing with you right now. And I've gone over what you need to do to stop losing money in the stock market. Stop bag holding. Stop holding bad stocks that are called out by traders who really don't care about you. And I'm not here to say whether somebody cares about you or not, but I do want to get your mind in the right place when it comes to trading. And in order to get your mind in the right place when it comes to trading, you have to understand, okay? You have to understand the difference between a trader who is trying to help you and a trader who is trying to manipulate you. And manipulating traders, well, they receive payouts from these companies like AMC to pump their stock. I do not receive any payouts from any company, and that's why my pro traders trust me to help guide them through the stock market. Every trade that I call out on this YouTube channel is not a paid endorsement, but rather it's solely to help you make money and recover your trading losses. That's how I helped you make money on LOVE. That's how I helped you make money on FNGR. That's how I helped you make money on RIDE. These are short squeeze plays which I've helped you make money on, and very rarely do I call out a trade on this channel and it just turns out to blow up and it's just a horrible trade. Very rarely does that ever happen, because I'm always going to be on your side, and I'm always going to give information that's going to help you make money in the stock market. I will do a coaching call with you if you're open to speaking with me and learning about my pro group and my mentorship. All you have to do is click the link in the description and I will speak with you personally so you can recover your portfolio. But if you are in AMC right now, I want you to think about closing AMC and never making this mistake again of thinking that a stock will go up just because it's popular or because other people are buying it. AMC is at $4 right now, and it will probably bounce back to around $4.80, but I do not see AMC going higher than $7 within the next 5 weeks. Thank you for watching this channel. Make sure to check out my video right here where I called out LOVE as a winning trade before it actually happened. Maybe if you watch this video, you can learn how to find winning stocks on your own. And remember to join the Discord as well so that you can make money with me and my team.